Good morning. My name is Carter, and this is my 2014 Evo 10.
And I call back. Niggas tryna flex. Tell me that I'm lost and located in the back door. Don't even wanna check. Niggas still wanna call it a day. Approach me, ain't got shit to say. Talking to me like you wanted to stay. When they come back around and you still tryna play. Go and break it down for a nigga. Go and break it down just a little. Had love for a nigga, but they steady playing games with a nigga. Steady throwing names for a nigga. One time for you niggas and I'm going with my stash. Tryna make it last. Thoughts overflow like they did in the past. Ain't with me, they still tryna ask. Fuck you wanna know about me. Fuck a nigga bitch up for 40 OZ. Shit, I keep it low key. Many people saying that they know it like there's plenty of the shit I ain't see. Catch me overseas in a fucking white tee. Bitches say LaVelle, man, I really want the D. Niggas say LaVelle, man, I really wanna see. Y'all know about me. Stress keeps building. Blood stops flowing. Brain got me open. Gun off a potion. Stress keeps building. Gun off a potion.
And that's what would have been the first video on my YouTube channel. However, it seems like things took a little bit of a different turn. So, this was my 2014 Evo 10. However, on October 23rd, 2021, the car was totaled in a rear-end accident, and ever since then I've kind of just not really had the motivation to start a YouTube channel again. I mean, I never really started this one in the first place. It was more of a, I was going to start it and I never actually did. But now I've kind of brought myself back up to the position where I feel as if I'm ready to give this whole thing a shot again. And I already had this video made. I actually had 2 videos made. I had a test pipe install. Dyno tune. And I actually have quite a few exhaust clips of this car that I probably hear right now. And this car was pretty sick, but that's it seems as if it's not the car for me anymore. And now, as I sit here today, this is my new car. I drive a 2022 Subaru BRZ, and things have kind of looked a little bit different. I mean, I'm going from a pretty decently fast car to a pretty fucking slow car. And it's honestly the way I'd rather have it.